Hello everyone, John here with another unboxing video number 2 of the Diecast Masters. This is the 135 scale cat, the bulldozer that I got. Show you up a little bit better up close. It's remote controlled, fully functional. You see all that. Show you more on the back. Shows you the specifications. Remote controlled. And you can see I have the front loader over there. I did that in the first episode or first video. So let's get this unboxed right here for us and see how it looks. Get this going. It's packaged in a nice box. Looks really good. Again, it's kind of like the 124 scale version. I made it the 135 scale here. I got. And the box there. The box down there. Of course, it comes with the instructions again. Model numbers over there, 2 and 3. Different instructions, English and in different languages. Shows you how to control everything, all the functions of the stuff. Over here, this opened up, packaged a little bit differently. Just unscrew here, unscrew there. Just pops right on out the remote. This one you'll have to do a little bit of cutting here. Very easy. And, oops, I fell down. I'll come off. It'll just be another little twist here. A twist here. Come right off. Yeah, package okay. They make it easy to, take apart and stuff. But let's take a look at this one a little bit differently this time. So you got your, your blade, the D7E Caterpillar. The 124 scale is the same, except it has more functionality and stuff. It has a little step ladder, which is pretty cool. Has the deal back here. Don't think that does anything. It don't look like it does. This looks like it does, but it doesn't. Nice, it's plastic. It's an okay plastic. Pretty nice detail here. Let's get put the batteries in and check it out and see how it goes. And again, it takes 6 AAA batteries for this to work. All right, got the batteries inside there. Batteries inside there to get to working. Again, I want to say thank you for all the views I've gotten, and comments and subscribers, likes and stuff. Without you guys, it's just a video of me just talking to myself. We don't want that, right? All right, turn these on. This one's in the front, so it does a little cycle through. I think it's blinking. See what this button does. Oh, this probably raises it, and this one will lower it. This is probably your forward, back. This is your left and right. Well, the thing about it is they're pretty fast. It's kind of too fast almost, you know what I mean? But let's see what it does with this dirt, this pile over here. Not too bad. I mean, it does its, does what it needs to do. Does it? They have a lot of power, But like the 1/24 scale is going to have a whole lot more power than these. But it's still a nice little fun toy to play with and stuff. But it is what it is. A nice little fun little caterpillar. It's kind of funny how the caterpillar is bigger than the front loader, or the front wheel loader. Wheel loader to me should be bigger than the caterpillar, but I guess it is what it is. It'll work. It does what it wants. Does what you want it to do. It is for a younger audience. But if you want to just go and have some fun with it, yeah, it'll work out pretty good. Nothing wrong with that, So yeah. So that's the 1/35 scale bulldozer, the D7E from Diecast Masters, the Cat series. It's pretty cool. It is kind of nice. I kind of like the bulldozer more than the front loader quite a bit. So yeah, so thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you again for unboxing of the two mining dump trucks that we have, the same scale, 1/35 scale. All right, everybody stay safe, and talk to you again next time. Bye.